kinds of things. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'll go 5 there. Scores for Mel's group 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 38. Michael's group 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 36. Tamaris' group 13. Precious's group -3. You gave me the last correct answer. Pick me a category, Michael's group. Second place right now.
All right, equal rights for 2 points.
Equal rights for 2. Where is all men are created equal written? First hand I see. Go ahead, Josh.
It's written in the
5. It is written in the Declaration of Independence. Now y'all are at -1. Okay. Precious's group, pick me a category.
Equal rights for 4.
Equal rights for 4. We've got our first Pictionary.
yeah.
Who's going to draw?
Who's gonna draw?
This is 4 points for civil rights, correct?
My bad.
Come on down here. Now don't say this out loud. Their group gets it for the first minute, okay? Their group gets it for the first minute if they don't guess for whatever reason. Okay, that's what we're looking for. Don't mouth it though. Okay. If they don't get it for whatever reason, the first hand I see will get it afterwards. Remember, I'm not looking for the, hang on, I'm not looking for the story. I'm looking for the actual word that she's drawing, word or words. Go ahead, I'm sorry. You had to ask?
Do I not write what it is?
You can't write what it is. This is all pictures. 1 minute starting now.
It's like,
Y'all can talk this out loud.
Oh!
I think your hand came up first, so you'll have it next. Got about 45 seconds.
really? It's
No.
Say as much as you want. You can talk this out.
like dirty.
Shh. 30 seconds. Anybody can guess. Your group. Anybody in your group can guess. Go ahead, say it.
Voting?
Is she drawing voting?
No, for women
Time's
to be able
up.
to vote, they had to count how
No, it's
many.
not.
Okay, you got 15 seconds.
It's up.
She's not drawing that.
Sir,
10
you're
seconds.
You're wasting time, you know. It's up.
5 seconds. Just what she's drawing.
No, time's up, man.
About the voting rights for the freedmen.
I didn't hear it. What did they draw?
You know, they were trying to find out that every black person that was going to vote was supposed to count the number of bubbles that come from, you know, the soap.
The soap bubbles. That is what I'm looking for.
I drew a shower.
I'm looking for the soap bubbles. 1, 2, 3, 4. We've got a new leader. Okay. List all that you can. Next hand I see has it. Voting tests under the 15th Amendment. Y'all will have it next, but you've got it now. Voting tests under the 15th Amendment. That was a voting test. Give me others. You
Jelly
guys,
beans.
what's the jelly bean test?
Yeah, I mean, you're going to count how many jelly beans in it, and then you get the right answer, and then the judge will just take one and say, no, you're wrong.
The jelly bean test was you would have to go up and count the number of jelly beans in a jar. You would have to guess the number without counting. And were black or the newly freedmen able to guess this accurately?
Some of them were, but usually, you know.
Yeah, you really didn't know. So this was used to deny them that right. Give me another one.
They like literacy. They would give like the freedmen. They give like a white man like the Green Eggs and Ham book to read.
Okay, something really simple.
They give the freedman something in like Japanese or something, expect him to be able to interpret it to be able to vote.
Something legal, something maybe in a foreign language they wouldn't be able to, so they would deny them the right to vote. 1, 2, 3, 4. Give me another one.
You didn't write it wrong.
I erased it. I actually did a tick across. I did a tick across. Go ahead. So we've got literacy test, we've got jelly bean test, we've got soap bubble test 5.
We'll pass it on to them.
Go ahead. Actually, no. You? No, it was Gerard. Gerard, it was you. Go ahead.
We want to talk about there was something called the grandfather clause.
What was the grandfather clause?
Pretty much, if your grandfather couldn't vote, then you couldn't vote.
If your grandfather couldn't vote 1, 2, 3, 4 before a certain date, and that certain date would have coincided with slavery, then you couldn't vote. Exactly. Can you give me any more? Go ahead.
A poll tax.
What was the poll tax?
It was basically they would charge people to vote, and then the freedmen, since they were
Low income. It was based on income.
So basically, they had low income, they couldn't pay, and if they couldn't pay, then they couldn't vote. 1, 2, 3, 4. So, any other ones you want to give? Thinking that kind of covers it. Pick me a category. Y'all have it. Could you hit the light, please, Justin? Thank
Because I
you.
can't see.
Pick me a category.
Federalism for 3.
Federalism for 3. List all you can. You have it. Privileges and immunities clause, and then the next hand I see. Yeah, it's going to be you.
Yes, I can.
But they've got it first. They've got it first. Okay, go ahead.
Privileges and immunities was the right to travel, petition, government, and pursue a career.
Okay, the right to travel, the right to petition government for redress of grievances, the right to pursue a career. Romel's group, 1, 2, 3, 4. Anything else you can tell me? Can you give me an example of privileges and immunities?
Pretty much, citizens are entitled to travel like from state to state.
Can you give me an example of that?
Um,
Maybe there was a court case. 5, 4, 3.
yeah, there was the
2.
Louisiana purchase.
-4, the Louisiana Purchase. -4. Go ahead, Blocky. Your group's got it.
Yes, we had a family from Colorado and they moved to Connecticut and they wanted to live there, but they wanted to have the welfare of Connecticut because that one was much.
Okay, a family from South Carolina actually moved up to Connecticut
That's right.
and they wanted their welfare benefits as soon as they got there. Why?